Good evening, viewers. I hope you're enjoying my videos. I am G. Venkat. Welcome to my show. Enjoy cooking, have fun. I've got a lot of responses, good responses. People are happy about it. People are sharing the experiences. People are requesting me to add a lot of things. I got a request to show and prepare dum aloo. Today I will be preparing dum aloo. But before that, I want to share one of the sales stories which I do every time when I'm there with you on videos. This is around 18 years back when I was the area sales manager of Rajasthan. There I had a strong team of sales officers. I had 10 sales officers. Out of that, 6 sales officers were new, fresh MBAs, and 4 were little experienced. So, as you see, the profile was little mismatch. 6 new MBA sales officers were fresh, so they were finding it difficult to adjust to the new environment, taking time, but the other 4 were smart enough, picking up very fast. So I always used to tell them, as I always say, you are a salesman from morning 6 o'clock to night 10 o'clock. So I used to always tell them, from 10 to 6, you have to sleep 8 hours. 8 hours sleep is a must for every individual, be it a lady or a gentleman. 8 hours sleep is a must. If you are compromising that 8 hours sleep, then compromise it, then compromise it only for yourself. I'm repeating it. Compromise it that 8 hours sleep just for yourself. When I say for self, to preparing yourself to help yourself in achieving more. So that 8 hours is a me time. What do you call as the me time? That 8 hours is a me time. So if you are compromising or sacrificing that 2 hours or 3 hours from that, then it should be for your own self. So coming back, I had 10 sales officers. All of them were not of the same profile. So some used to do a job in say 1 hour's time. Some used to take at least 2 hours to do that job, some 3 hours. So I always used to say that intelligence part or the smartness part is not in your hands. You can build it up, but it takes time. But what is in your hand is that me time, that 8 hours time. For example, sales officer X takes 1 hour to do a job, and you have to do the same job and you take 3 hours. Never mind. The morning hours, you can't give more time to that job. Spend the 2 hours in the night. Generally, people find it difficult to make reports because in sales, people are more or less smart enough to get the work done. They are smart enough to get the negotiations done. But when it comes to the reporting part, articulation part, or some submission part, they take hell a lot of time. So the 8 hours that you have, spend the 2 hours. The moment you spend the 2 hours and take out from your me time, then you are competing with others. That is what is important. In the end, no one is bothered about the efforts what you have put in. Everyone is bothered about the end result. So whether you have put 3 hours, 4 hours, 1 hour, it matters. Doesn't matter at all. What matters is the end result. So remember, if you think that I am slow, if you think that I take a lot of time, never mind about it. You always have that 8 hours me time. If you do not sleep for day or 2 days, nothing is going to happen. But if you spend that 8 hours maximum or whatever hours you feel like to compete with others, you will be with the same platform and you'll never miss out. So keep that in mind. Never say that guy is faster than me, that guy is smarter than me. Let him be. You have the 8 hours me time. Take out from that and push yourself to compete with them. And that is more important today. If you do not compete and if you just ग्रीव अबाउट इट, जस्ट रोते रहना किसी चीज के बारे में, उसका कुछ फायदा नहीं है. आज का जमाना कंपटीशन का जमाना है. You have a platform, you have to perform on the platform. So tip of the day is compete with others, use your me time successfully, purposefully. Now let's come to the preparation of the cooking today. Dum aloo, we are preparing dum aloo today. Let's come. So what required is this Kashmiri mirch. What you have to do is clip it and remove the seeds from here. You have to clip this and remove the seeds. Remove the seeds. Okay. Then soak it in hot water. Soak it in hot water. Then make a paste. The paste can be like this or little more gada, little more less water. Can put less water. Little become little more thick. Okay. Then take these ingredients. This is what is this? This is dhania, sabut dhania. This is jeera. This is saunf. This is long. This is ilachi. And this is what? Pepper. And you can add cinnamon also. So you will see whatever I prepare, what is available at home, I take that only and always believe in fresh. I do not believe in adding paste, this paste, that paste. Whatever is fresh with you, whatever is there with you in your house, prepare with it. No fuss at all. If one or two items are missing, don't fuss about it because in the end, you are preparing it, you are going to have it, or your family is going to have it. They will enjoy whatever you prepare. So never mind. Okay. So this is the one. So what do? You roast it. Roast it. Bunna. What do you call bunna? Roast it. Once you get little, the color changes, take it out, make a powder. Use the mixie, make a powder. The powder will look like this, something like this. Then take 1.5 cups of dahi. Okay, take 1.5 cups of dahi. Then our hero of the day is aloo. Take small alus. छोटा आलू जो मिलते हैं उनको लेना है. Then what I have done is the small alus I have cooked in pressure cooker. So in one CT, one whistle, switch it off. Then remove the chilka of it. Then I have deep fried in oil. You can use any refined oil. I have deep fried in oil. Let golden brown color can come little more. This is less golden brown. You can make it more golden brown. If you make it more golden brown, it will be more crisp. And you can use the oil. So what I'm going to do now is I'll be whipping this curd. I'll be whipping this curd. Then I'll be pouring this in this. Then I'll be pouring this masalas. Then mix it well. This is important. Mix it. Mixing is important. It's properly mixed now. Now I'll light the gas. The gas is lighted. If there is any water, remove the water. If water is there, then again you will hear that crackling sound. So if you hear the crackling sound, enjoy it. So I have removed the water, so it's dry. Now what we'll do is we will add oil. You can use little more quantities of oil because you are using aloo, so it will require little more quantities of aloo. If you want to give South Indian tadka on this, you can use mustard seeds. But I am not using mustard seeds here. I am trying to prepare authentic Kashmiri dum aloo to my friends, all Mr. Calls. To all my Kashmiri friends, I am trying to prepare authentic Kashmiri dum aloo. I have taken the Kashmiri mirch, I have kept the Kashmiri mirch powder also for usage. So you will require some hing also, hing powder. Once the pan gets hot up, add some hing powder. Hing powder will give nice flavor to it. Then add some turmeric. Turmeric will give good color. Then add little bit of mirch, Kashmiri mirch. This will give you color. Then let it, yes, it's there. Now you can sim the gas. After simming the gas, what you do now is you pour this mixture of curd, then your masalas. Slowly pour it, 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 pour it. And your job is to keep stirring it. That's important. Add water. Add water and keep stirring it. This is stirring is important so that curd doesn't disintegrate. कहते हैं ना दही फटना नहीं चाहिए. So do this. So keep little high, keep it. So you can add 1 spoon of salt. Salt is as per your taste. You can add little less, then you can add more if you feel like. The salt should be less because it should be as per the taste. So coming back to my Rajasthan days, in sales we have month-end meetings. So in the month-end meetings, all the sales officers come and they share their sales. So everyone in sales, you have the targets. So everyone comes that day and a lot of submissions have to be made. A lot of reports have to be made. So my rule was before 9 o'clock, the meeting starts by 9. So before 9 o'clock, all the submissions should be ready. So one sales officer was responsible for the submissions. So he will ensure that all submissions are ready. At times, people used to find it difficult to submit on time. So I always used to say, use your me time. That 8 hours of time you have, use it. And believe me, the 10 sales officers what I had, all of them used to submit before 9. 8:45, people used to assemble. Within 15 minutes time, everything is submitted. And I'm sitting in that conference room, in that table, all submissions are there in front of me. At that point of time, computers were there, but a lot of paper submissions were also there. So at that time, that was the era of laptops slowly coming up. People were slow. Now you see people, students in second class, third class start using laptops. At that time, it was slowly coming up. So once this boils up, then once it boils, then you will add your deep fried dum alus. So till the time you keep stirring it. Stirring is important because if you don't stir it, the dahi might disintegrate. dahi फटने का डर रहता है. So coming back to the Rajasthan story, So everyone was ready with the submissions. And as I said in my previous episode, people were ready with the reasonings. They used to articulate well, but they were learning to articulate also. So hitting the target, not hitting the target matters, surely matters, but in the end, what matters is whether you know the reasons, whether the target was hit or not hit. That is very important. So, ladies and gentlemen, always use your me time. So, see, it's coming up well. See, so once it boils, then we will add the alus. It has started boiling now. Yes, it is boiling. See the color. Beauty of a color, I would say. Beauty of a color. See the color. It's the beauty of a color. So we've done everything perfect. Beauty of a color. Now it's going to boil. Once it's boiled, then we'll add dum alus. You can imagine. And remember what I always say, if I can make it, anyone can make it. If I can make it, anyone can make it. And cooking, you enjoy, you prosper. पसीने आ रहे मेरे को, पसीने आ रहे मेरे को, but I'm enjoying that. I have switched off the fan, I have switched off the AC. Why? Because I don't want extra unnecessary disturbances. So I want to do it in a natural way. So enjoy. Boil हो रहा है. Now I'll put the alus. See, they are the alus. I'm putting it. I put the alus. Done. Now I'll have to simmer it. I'll simmer it. I'll close this with a lid. Now you see, you have to simmer it for 10 minutes. In 10 minutes time, you will see the final product. It will get a little more condensed, and you will see this superb dum aloo prepared by you, prepared by us, having fun, having enjoyment. So I'm not waiting for 10 minutes. So I'm going to sign off and enjoy my me time. So this is G Venkat signing off. Thank you, thank you, thank you.